Welcome back. In this lecture, the off-page SEO action that we will cover is brand reputation or brand mentions. It essentially means making sure your brand or business is talked about on other websites or user forums or communities or social media. Brand mentions are an almost intangible but important factor when it comes to SEO. Search engines use this as a measure of how popular you are. Interestingly, these references to your brand may or may not include a link to your website. You can track these brand mentions using various tools like Brand24 or brand mentions. But the simplest way I like to do it is to set up a Google alert. All you do is you navigate to google.com/alerts, sign into your Google account and set an alert for you so that Google searches the internet and whenever your brand is mentioned, it sends you an alert. So if you can't afford complicated and expensive tools for brand mentions, this is the simplest and most basic way of tracking your brand mentions. That brings us to an end of off-page SEO. And in the next lecture, we'll talk about technical SEO. See you there soon.